This video is about collocations in English language. A collocation is two or more words that often go together. Moreover, it is a particular combination of words. Types of collocations. There are 10 types of collocations in English language. 1. Verb plus noun. Such as make the bed, abuse drugs. 2. Verb plus verb. Keep going, make believe. 3. Noun plus verb. Phone rings. Lion roars, the bomb went off. 4. Noun plus noun. Active movie, abuse of power. 5. Adjective plus noun. Empty promise, tough question. 6. Adjective plus adjective. Boiling hot. Neat and tidy. 7. Adverb plus adjective. Bitterly cold. Badly hurt. 8. Adverb plus adverb. Almost certainly, right away. Straight ahead. 9. Verb plus adverb. Become increasingly, arrive on time. 10. Phrase. Burst into tears. Collocations related to ability. Natural ability. There are some people who are born with a natural ability and who learn effortlessly. Intellectual ability. No one doubt intellectual abilities. Mixed ability. The students in my class are of mixed ability, so I teach them in groups according to their level. Considerable ability. I have no doubts that he has considerable ability. Proved ability. It means that you have proved through your achievements. Example. We need somebody who has done this before. With the proven ability to do the job. Average ability. I am not a genius and I am not stupid. I would describe myself as being of average ability. Linguistic ability. The test is intended to measure the children's linguistic ability. Incredible ability. I do not know how she does it, but Annie Lennox has this incredible ability to electrify her audience. Uncanny ability. It means an unusual ability that is difficult to explain. He has uncanny ability for spotting investment opportunities. We have some synonyms for great ability. Great ability. Remarkable ability. Exceptional ability. Outstanding ability. The other collocations are musical ability, linguistic ability, artistic ability, physical ability, technical ability, acting ability. The word ability can be used with the other noun and a proposition as a collocation. Pay attention to the following sentences. Raymond is very clever, but he does not make full use abilities. I was surprised when he failed his examinations. His results are certainly not a true reflection of his abilities. I have every confidence in his ability. He said that he would try to do the job to the best of his ability. I believe he lost confidence. His failure was not due to a lack of ability. Tiger Woods might be the best golfer in the world, but the Open Championship next week will be a real test of his ability. There are some verbs which be used with the word ability as a collocations. Pay attention to examples. Examinations are not only means of assessing someone's ability. There are other ways of measuring potential. It is a well-known fact that even small amounts of alcohol can affect your ability to drive safely. Although Peter showed a lot of ability as a teenager, he just was not good enough to go professional. I had to give up halfway through the race. I had obviously overestimated my ability to run a marathon. She was so shocked by the accident that she lost the ability to speak. As a young man, he lacked the ability to say no. There are some phrases for this word that can be used as the collocation. Pay attention to the red words. The children were of the same age and ability level. There is a wide range of ability within the class. Examinations are not always a good test of ability. Collocations related to power. Healing power. The water was supposed to have healing power. Mental power. Is it possible to enhance your mental power? Magical power. Diamonds were once thought to have magical power. Creative power. As an artist, he was at the height of his creative power. Destructive power. The destructive power of modern weapons is terrifying. Absolute power. Mugabe was a ruthless dictator who ended up exercising absolute power over Zimbabwe. Political power. For the few years after the Civil War, at least, Black Texans had a taste of political power. Unbridled power. It means, without any control. Certain wealthy men exercised unbridled power. The power of speech. I was so surprised that he momentarily lost his power of speech. The other collocations are nuclear power, solar power, wave power, wind power, hydroelectric power, steam power. In the following sentences the word, there are a noun and proposition with the word, power. The mayor has been arrested on charges of corruption and abuse of power. He enjoyed the trappings of power such as chauffeur-driven cars and five-star hotels. Her rapid rise to power surprised many people. There is certainly a shortage of women in positions of power. Like so many politicians, he had an insatiable hunger for power. The army refuses to hand over power to the civilian government. It is obviously reluctant to relax its grip on power. The word, power, can come with the proposition, of, plus the other noun. Chess is a game that requires great power of concentration. No one can doubt the persuasive power of advertising, especially on TV. My father has a stroke and lost the power of speech for a few months, but he can communicate quite well now. He claims that his recovery from illness demonstrates the power of positive thinking. The power of the mind over the body.